In this video, we discuss about the family Fabaceae. The plant family Fabaceae include three subfamilies. They are papilionaceae, caesalpiniaceae and mimosae. Now we discuss the subfamily papilionaceae. There are different types of plants included in this. Major plants are pea. The botanical name Pisum sativum, Pigeon pea, Cajanus cajan, green gram, Fasciolus aureus, soybean, Glycine max, lentil, Lens culinaris, groundnut, Arachis hypogea, chickpea, Caesar eritinum. Usually these plants are herbs, shrubs, rarely trees. If we take one example, that is pea plant. The pea plant flower include, there are different parts, that is calyx, corolla, androecium and gynoecium. These parts are known as floral parts. There are 5 sepals united form calyx. Then corolla included 5 petals. There are 3 different types of petals. One standard petal free, 2 free wing petals and 2 keel petals. These keel petals are jointed. Then androecium, male reproductive parts. The androecium include 10 stamens. They are enclosed in 2 bundles. In one bundle include 9 stamens. They are fused in form. Then one, that is the 10th stamen is free. The next part, the female reproductive organ gynoecium. That gynoecium include unilocular ovary, stigma and style. The ovules are arranged on margin. So this type of placentation is known as marginal placentation. This is the placenta, a fleshy part. Here the ovules are arranged. Then if we take the floral formula, the floral formula include, the flower is zygomorphic. The zygomorphic flower means if we get 2 equal halves when we cut only through one single plane. Such flowers are known as zygomorphic flower. The flowers are bisexual. Bisexual flower means male and female reproductive parts are seen in same flower. The calyx include 5 sepals, that is united. Corolla include 5 petals, 1 free standard petal, 2 free wing petals and 2 joined keel petals. Androecium, male reproductive part, 9 stamens in fused condition and 1 free. And gynoecium, female reproductive part, gynoecium is superior, unilocular. This is the floral diagram. 5 sepals joined form calyx and 5 petals include corolla. This is the standard petal, wing petals and keel petals. 9 fused stamens and 1 free stamen. Then unilocular ovary.